Okay, well, we're just confirming that we've received and confirmed our first lab test of coronavirus infection in one of our residents. It was associated with international travel. The patient has been in self-isolation, so there is no risk of further spread. And there is no evidence of any type of community spread. It's just we're announcing the first case in our region. This is also the 7th case across Tennessee. So we have cases scattered from Memphis now all the way through northeast Tennessee.
Are you concerned now that it's come to our region?
It just emphasizes our concept of prevention, and messaging becomes even more important, particularly practicing those preventive public health measures we should have been doing all along, that are the basics of infection control for any type of respiratory virus.
And is there anything else that Angelique and I didn't ask you that you think is important for the public to know, for anyone else to know about this first case confirmed of COVID-19 here in Northeast Tennessee?
Not at this time.
Thank you. We appreciate your time.
Oh, you're quite welcome.